Okay, everybody, we are back. So I have taught y'all how I put on my fake eyelashes, how I put on my face for my wig, and how I put on my cap. That was in 1 and 2 of this series. Now we are in 3. And baby wipe, because I am so concerned about my wig becoming unadjusted somewhere where people can see. I'm a newbie. You're maybe possibly a newbie. And look, I've lost hair here from sticking things to myself, but it's just totally worth it. I know I'm going to do it. I'm going to lose a little hair there. It's just going to happen. You know, I keep that cut short anyway. And so I'm just going to take off any makeup. And I'm going to do it right through here, right in front, because I don't want to lose any hair here. So just in front. Okay. And then we're going to dry any water that was left from the baby wipe. Okay. And we're going to now put on the wig. Step 1. I like wig tape, okay? So I have found a few secrets. I have struggled. I have thrown this stuff away. I just went right in the garbage can because it would not be good. And I've learned how to work with it now. So I can't stand the idea of my wig riding up. And I get the itchies right back here really bad from wigs. So for the first one, I just take, because I don't need that much, and I just cut myself off a strip. Okay. And then you remove the see how it's got the little extra tips? That's so you can get the paper off once you apply it, where you're going to apply it. So I'm just taking my fingernail and popping off. This is where it can get sticky. I'm just popping off. There we go. And I want the curve to be like the nape of my neck. And so I've heard of people who shave this, and you will figure out where it has to go to be perfect for your wig. And you just stick it on and do not peel the tape off yet. Okay. Then with this one here, I'm going to take that right there. Where'd my scissors go? There they are. All right. And I'm going to cut that off. Okay. And then I'm going to take this one and peel it off. All right. And then I'm going to cut. Hang on. I'm going to cut directly where it was centered. It doesn't have to be right. I mean, perfect is not needed. But now I have a way that I can get that second blue one off. It can make you pull your hair out even when you have none. So anyway, and then I just put that right there. And that's because this wig has these wonderful little silicone tabs, but it'll stick to anything, in my opinion. And so now I have something to hold on to get this one off, because if I hadn't have done that, it would not come off. I don't care what you do. And they're curved, so you want to curve them according to the shape of your head. And then I put it in my hair. Now, every wig fits slightly different. You could put it here and not, you might choose to shave here. You might use less. You might just use a stays right there, and it stays all day. But I'm a newbie, and the idea, I mean, I have some of my friends going, you can tell they're evaluating the quality of this wig and whether I've got it on right. Because they're not used to seeing me with a wig on, and I have just recently become a wig sister. Okay. So, jewelry on. First, That's what I do. I put these on first. Everybody might have a different system. I know it goes in there. I put it in there all the time. You're on camera. You can't get your own... There we go. All right. And, of course, we got to have our bracelet. Which you must put on a certain way or it's backwards. Okay. So now I'm all ready. So hair goes on last. So then, do not put sticky tape here, okay? If you put sticky tape there and you tear the lace on the front of your wig, you will be mad at yourself, and your pocketbook will be mad at you. So, I put it right there. Okay. Because I just want that lace to please stay right there, because I'm a newbie. Okay, so every wig will fit everybody differently. You do the best you can. You will just keep buying till you find the company that makes the wig that just fits perfectly for you, or the wig brand that just fits perfectly on you, and then you'll buy it from Frannies Hair, which you could find my discount code in the description. So I can't wear these little bra straps. It's just too short. If they were longer, and I have thought about extending them and making them longer with something and then putting them back in the little bra strap. But for me, this slides back slightly if I have them even at the largest thing. But have any of you ever had your bra get overly stretched and you had to throw it away? So I thought to myself, it may happen that this elastic will become stretched and I will need this again. So I'm currently fighting with this. And sometimes it gets where I don't want it and I have to tuck it. So you'll see me do that. But we just do these little things with our wigs. And I love this wig. It fits me beautifully. It's just I need more length through here than the little bra straps will allow. So I'm thinking about maybe taping them down somehow. But for the moment, that's what I'm doing. All right, so I don't have this and I don't have this to where it would stick. So all I have to do is put my lace knot here and adjust it later. So I put it behind, okay, and I look to see that I've got it straight. Okay, I've got it straight. All right, the back is here. All right, so now I come up, make sure all of those little hairs. Do you see that hair? I see a hair. It's not where it's supposed to be. Okay, it's stuck in... Oh, it's... Okay, is that a hair? I guess it's not. It's just a wig grip. Okay, and so now I have adjusted. Do I still have it even? Yes, I have it even. It's not where they're supposed to be. But now I'm just going to sit that lace down in that glue. It's just sitting on it. All right. And then I'm going to take and tuck this, pull this. You can pin their hair up if it's real long and you can't control it. I've just figured out how to do it now. Pull that, and then I'm going to sit those things down and stick. All right, and I'm just going to hold and rub. Ta-da! All right, and then I'm going to pull up the back. 'Cause there's nothing I hate worse than my hair getting stuck in the sticky. So I've got my hair up, pulled that off. I get the base of that wig, and I put it on top of the sticky, and then I just do there. Because I don't like the idea of this little booger wiggling around in the Publix. And I will get comfortable, you will get comfortable, and eventually we will stop using so much glue. I bet you $1. So here I am. And sometimes you know, if you've put a stays right here, then, you know, you can lock it down a little bit as well. All right, now we're going to go to styling. So this was video 3, if I haven't gotten lost. So now we're going to start video 4 in this series. So if you would like to see how I style my wig after I put it on, go to the next video and you will find a little link in the bottom that will take you to the video series where you can see all of these videos together. And you will be able to see my discount code. I'm supposed to be issued it today, so it will appear along with my website address and Frannies Hair, where I got this beautiful baby, where they helped me pick just the right one. And you will just love Frannie.